Yeah. You wanna be on the video? Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm on the safari park. See, we have a rhino, wildebeest, zebras. Is that an antelope? Yeah. Oh, awesome. Guys, we have a baby rhino. Guys, that's the Columbus monkey. So guys, this is a very big rhino. Passing by. As I was saying, this is a very huge rhino. It has a very long horn. That's a white rhino. Today you are not going to see my face on the vlog, but you are going to see the lion. So he's the only one. And he's sleeping. They normally sleep during the day and go hunting at night. But at least I don't know if it's crocodiles or birds or every animal, because this is now the park. Now we are inside the park, but on top. But it's fenced, eh? You can see it's fenced so that they can't come.
Somewhere on the water there will be animals.
No, they are there. So we have two rogue giraffes just chilling. Wow. So guys, we are at Kitengela Glass. Just came here to see what's up with the glass. Guys, let's go to the bridge, suspension bridge. Let's go. This is Kitengela Glass, a very nice and hidden place in Chwala, Ongatarongai. So guys, that's the famous scary suspension bridge. This is the shop. There's Kitengela Glass shop. Wow. Whoa. We have glass everywhere. It's glass everywhere. Mutuma, have you seen this? It's a nice plane. That's YouTube glass for you. So we have glass everywhere you look, glass everywhere. Whoa, that's a furnace. Yeah. That's a furnace. Oh. Look at that. Whoa. this is glass blowing in Kitengela glass.
Para que vea, mi amor. First step.
First step.
First step, the gas, the newspaper. Blow.
And you blow.
Sopla. Y hace soplar. Ya. Ya.
This is glass blowing.
Come on, boy. Very, very old.
Yeah, beautiful.
Boy. No. That's good. Sorry.
So is he going to break it?
Yeah.
You're going to break.
That's high. It's right. Put the cut there. Point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's simple.
Wow.
Gorrito esto antes, baby. No, gorrito antes haciendo vidrio. Amor. Gorrito esto antes. Se hace vidrio. Interesante, ¿no? Okay. Very nice.
Yeah. Awesome.
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you.
That's how you make glass. So this is Nani's Wonderland. Nani's Wonderland. Whoa. By Wonderland is it's a trailer. Trailer.
Just a small store here.
Yeah, coming soon.
Yeah, it's coming soon.
Coming soon.
That's Danny.
That's
Yeah,
Nani.
Yeah.
Wow. And these are still on sale.
This one we don't sell. We don't sell this one. This one are not on sale. Yeah. This one's for the main gallery. Which is still under renovation here.
Oh, so
The main gallery
Wow.
go hapa juu.
Okay.
Yeah, upstairs hapo.
Okay, okay.
So ndio. Sawa.
And it's Wonderland. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Whoa.
Sasa ni vile tu tunaona tuko holiday, ungepata tu watu tu wako busy huku wanafanya kazi.
Mm. Ducks. Oh, geese. Geese, not geese and ducks. And roosters. Check this out, man. Imagine living here. Look at this. That's someone's house overlooking the Nairobi National Park. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Love you.